Seeking some healthy recipes for the weekend? Welcome to our culinary journey where we'll be diving into the world of delicious and nutritious cooking that's perfect for your weekend meal planning. Our upcoming recipes are simple to whip up, but will certainly impress your taste buds. Plus, we're including step-by-step instructions to make your cooking experience as smooth as possible. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for some lip-smacking, health-packed recipes. First up on our menu is a refreshing quinoa salad. This delightful dish is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's get started. To whip up this salad, you'll need some quinoa, a medley of fresh vegetables, a drizzle of olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Start by cooking the quinoa. While it fluffs up to perfection, take this time to chop up your vegetables. Think vibrant bell peppers, crunchy cucumbers, juicy cherry tomatoes, and crisp red onions. Once your quinoa is cooked and cooled, toss it together with your fresh veggies. Drizzle over some olive oil, known for its heart-healthy fats, and a squeeze of vitamin C-rich lemon juice. Give everything a good mix until it's all coated in that tangy dressing. This quinoa salad is not only high in protein, but also packed with dietary fiber and essential vitamins. And there you have it, a vibrant and wholesome quinoa salad. Next, we dive into the world of colorful veggies with our veggie stir-fry. Imagine a rainbow on your plate. That's what this dish brings to the table. Let's start by gathering our vibrant vegetables. We have bell peppers of all colors, crunchy broccoli, sweet carrots, and snappy snow peas. The colors aren't just for show. Each vegetable brings a unique flavor and a host of nutritional benefits. Heat your pan and drizzle in some olive oil. Olive oil not only adds a distinct flavor, but is also known for its heart-healthy fats. Now, let's toss in our vegetables. Listen to that sizzle. Stir-frying keeps the vegetables crisp, preserving their natural texture and nutrients. Now, for the seasoning. A sprinkle of salt, a dash of pepper, and a hint of your favorite herbs. The secret to a good stir-fry is to keep it simple. Let the natural flavors of the vegetables shine through. Once everything is well tossed and vibrant, it's time to serve it hot. The aroma, the colors, the crunch. This isn't just a dish, it's an experience. Voila! A sizzling, flavorful veggie stir-fry to tickle your taste buds. And those were our healthy weekend recipes. The tasty quinoa salad and the delicious veggie stir-fry are not just nutritious, but also a delight to your taste buds. So go ahead, try these recipes for a healthy, tasty weekend. Remember, good food is the ingredient that binds us together.